Today we are making taco rice, a delicious fusion of Tex-Mex and Japanese flavor from Okinawa. It has all the taco goodness with a Japanese twist over rice. Let's get started. Taco rice is easy to prepare and doesn't require much time in the kitchen, making it perfect for hot days when you want a quick meal. The recipe we are using today is simple with taco mix from Trader Joe's and can be ready in no time. Start by heating a frying pan over medium heat. Cook your ground beef and pork until it becomes crumbly. Add minced garlic and cook until it's fragrant. Then add a tablespoon of taco mix and stir to combine. This will give you a dish that's signature Tex-Mex flavor. Next, add soy sauce and ketchup, and this is the Japanese part, and stir until the mixture is well blended and most of the liquid has evaporated. If you prefer a bit of heat, you can add chili pepper to taste. Remember that soy sauce and ketchup already add the saltiness, so taste before adding any extra salt. Now let's assemble our taco rice. Begin by placing shredded lettuce around the rice on your plate. Top with the seasoned taco meat, adjusting the amount based on your preference. Add shredded cheese and diced cherry tomatoes on top for freshness and color. Finally, sprinkle some chopped onion if you like a bit of crunch and kick. And there you have it! Taco rice is ready to serve. Mix everything together to enjoy. The combination of spicy meat, moist rice, and fresh vegetables create a flavorful and satisfying dish. Taco rice was created in Okinawa, where American and Japanese cultures meet, making it a perfect fusion dish. It's a great way to enjoy the flavor of both. So give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!